Day trading can be really exciting, but managing risk is very important. If you want to reap the benefits of doing day trading, then you need to make sure that you have an advanced trading platform that will help you to manage this risk much better. In this video, I will show you how Altrady can help you to simplify your day trading strategy with the powerful tools and the interface that we have to offer. So let's break it down and see how Altrady can help you to become the better trader. Now that you're here, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe to our channel, so you'll be updated whenever we release a new video. So what does day trading mean? Day trading means that you buy and sell on the same day. And you can do that several times to make a profit each time you do a buying and sell. As a trader, you capitalize on small movements in the market and you get some quick gains from small price movements. So this is quite different from a position trader, where you will take a long position and you keep it for several days or weeks or even years before you take your profit. To start day trading, you'll need a few tools. First thing that you need is of course an exchange. When you have your exchange picked, then you need to make sure that you have a reliable trading platform to execute advanced trades that make your day trading strategy much better. The Altrady platform is an all-in-one platform that can help you to streamline your trading process. You can manage multiple exchanges, you can see the real-time data, and you can execute trades from a single interface. This means that even if you're trading on multiple exchanges, you only need to learn one tool. And you can still participate in all the markets that the exchanges have to offer. An effective day trader also needs to know about the market data. Altrady's Market Explorer allows you to find the markets that are trending currently. And trending markets usually have a higher volatility, allowing you to get more gains during a trading session. Using the Market Explorer combined with the trading terminal makes it very easy to start day trading. So what are some things that you need to know about day trading? Like, what are the terms and what do they mean? So one thing is asset liquidity. This means how quickly you can buy and sell a market without affecting the price. High liquidity is essential for day traders. Then you have the spread. The spread is the difference between the bid price and the ask price. This is essentially how much profit you could make if you were to buy and sell immediately. A narrow spread means that there's not much debate in the price and that there are less gains. A high spread means that there's a lot of discussion about the price and will lead to higher gains during a trading session. The order book is key to be able to see the spread and to be able to see the liquidity in the market. Next to providing the liquidity in the market, which is based on the order book, the trading volume is also very important. The trading volume indicates how much volume is traded in a certain period of time. This is important for day traders to make sure that you can actually buy and sell in the same day. If there's not enough volume and you go in with size, then you might not be able to sell your position on the same day and you would have to go into it the next day. Then you have leverage. Leverage is not strictly necessary for trading cryptocurrencies because you have the spot market. But you can also use leverage on the futures market. Leverage can be used to significantly amplify your trading size, allowing you to make more money on small price movements. The most important thing for a day trader is to make sure that you find the markets of interest for you. One way to keep track of the markets that you have interest in for the day is to create a watch list. Normally people would use TradingView for this, but of course, as Altrady is an all-in-one trading platform, you can do Watchlist in Altrady. So how do you do that? First you have to go to the Markets widget. Then you can right-click in the widget and click on Create Watchlist. You can give it a name, Day Trading, and a short name will automatically be created. You can give it a color so that the markets are easily recognizable and hit Save. Now when you right-click on a market, you can add the market to that watch list. And you will see that the watch list is now created here. If you click on the watch list, all the markets are filtered to only show the markets in that watch list. So let's add a few to the watch list. So how would you typically find markets that are of interest? So one way to do that is to look at the change. If the price has changed a lot in the last 24 hours, then there might be a big recovery coming. So one way to find markets that are of interest for day trading is to specify some filters by volume. So let's say we want to have at least 1 million of USD traded in that market. Now all the markets are filtered by volume. Then we can also make sure that there is a high enough change. So we can look at the markets that have had a large increase in price. You can specify a higher time frame, and then in the Markets widget, you can use the keyboard shortcuts to browse through the markets. Now, as you can see, all the exchanges are selected here, but if you're only trading on Binance and Bybit, for example, you can just select them by holding the Command or Control key. Now when you go through the markets, you will only see them from those two exchanges. And if you find anything interesting, you can add them to your watch list. In the watch list, you will now see a few markets. And again, you can still filter by exchange and watch list, allowing you to focus on the markets that you're really interested in for that day. And if you only wanted to filter on specific quote currencies, then you can do that right here. So now you see that only the USDT markets have been selected. So this is a great way to keep track of all the markets that you want to be trading during that day. And it's a very wise thing to do this each day that you want to start a new trading session. Just go over your watch list and see if anything needs to be removed or added. As a day trader, you also have to rely on technical analysis to identify your entry and exit point. And a lot of traders use support and resistance either in a horizontal level or in trend line. But regardless of your trading strategy, support and resistance is probably a huge factor. So let's look at this market and see what support and resistance is. So as you can see, if we draw a line right here, you can see that it has been touched several times and the price didn't really break through. You had these false breakouts, but the price quickly recovered down. So this is what we would call a resistance level. And we can also do that with support. So as you can see, the price touched this line several times and it bounced off it. So this has been trading in a range and it's been moving sideways. But next to horizontal lines, you can also use diagonal lines, which are commonly referred to as trend lines. A trend line can be drawn from 2 points and to low points. As you can see, the price touched it several times, which indicates that this is a nice upward moving trend. And if you look down here, then the price touched it twice. So you could expect that the price might move up and then back down and then move up again. These price levels and support and resistance are very important for a day trader because this is where you make the gains. It depends on your strategy on where you would enter or exit the market, but of course it's always good to buy low and sell high. But regardless of what strategy you're actually using, the support and resistance will be important. You can also use technical indicators to help you better determine whether the price is right to buy or not. Two of the most popular ones are the MACD and the RSI. With Altrady, you can easily add these indicators to your charts to let them help you to make those informed decisions. You can add the indicators from this list and you can search for MACD and RSI. And once they're added, they will be at the bottom. The MACD shows the relationship between the moving average of cryptocurrency prices. It helps you identify potential buy and sell signals. You should buy when the MACD crosses above the signal line and you should sell when it moves below. Now obviously you need significant movements, so this would not be tradable, but once it's been moving along for a while and then it makes a change, then it might be a possibility to enter the market. Now of course one indicator is not enough, so the price level would need to fit your trading strategy. Usually people would use the RSI to buy below 20 and to sell above 80. Now this particular market only showed a buy signal right here, and then it stayed into a consolidation phase. So whether or not you use the RSI indicator in your trading strategy, it's still useful to use as confirmation. So now that you've determined the movement of this market and you've seen the support and resistance lines, and you've identified a possible entry, then it's time to set up your orders. Now on traditional exchanges this is very difficult and everything has to be done manually. But within Altrady it's much easier to do. So for example, we indicated that we want to trade on this trend line. And if the price moves anywhere close to this support and resistance line, then we could set up our buy order. So I can just simply click in the order form, drag my price down to where the trend line is and where I would be interested in buying, and then I would be able to place the order. But of course, as day traders, we also want to make sure that we set up our take profit. Now on normal exchanges, you would have to wait until the entry order is filled before you can place your take profit order. But with Altrady, the advanced trading features allow you to set up take profits in advance. Simply click on the take profit order, drag the price to your profit level, and that's it. Once the entry order is filled, then the take profit order will be immediately placed. Now as a trader, we also want to make sure that we let our profits ride. So what we can do is we can add an extra target and specify and set that to right here. And we can even make it trailing, so that when the price increases, we would only sell on a downward move. This can dramatically increase your profits when the prices make a massive move, and in crypto that happens a lot. Now as a day trader, it's also very important to keep track of your risk. The way to manage your risk is to set up a stop loss. Within Altrady, you can set up your stop loss in advance as well. And for example, we could say that we only want to exit our market if the price moves below this support and resistance line. We can calculate our possible loss, and we can see our expected profit, which would give us a risk-reward ratio of 4.3. And this could be a good trade to take. And now let's say that my portfolio size was around $500 and I wanted to risk 1% on the trade. Then how would I calculate how much I can buy on this specific position to only lose 1% of my portfolio? So in order to do that, I would go over to the risk amount and type in 1. Now as you can see, from the $500, I'm only risking $5. The possible loss percentage is still the same and the min profit is still the same as well. But the actual amount that I lose and the actual amount that I win has increased. And if I do this, regardless of how much the stop loss is changing, every single trade that I take will only lose $5. And this is important if you'd want to do day trading. With day trading, if you have a successful strategy, then maintaining a risk-reward ratio with a fixed risk size will make sure that you will be profitable in the long run. Now that the order is set up, we can hit place order and the entry order will be placed on the exchange. Now the rest of the orders are still pending and they're waiting for this order to be hit. When this order is hit, then all the orders will be updated automatically, so you don't have to worry about that. To make adjustments to these positions, you can just click on any order and then drag the sizes and then drag the orders to wherever you want them to be. So if you think that this take profit is a bit too high, then just simply move it down and click to confirm. Now that the position is placed, it is also added to the open positions on the position widget, which allows you to keep track of your day trades. And it's very important as a day trader to make sure that your positions don't go out of control. All the data is updated in real time, so you don't have to use any Excel sheets with updating the price manually to see your current profit and loss. As you can see, I have a couple of other open positions. As you can see, I have some other positions open, and you can easily see how well they are doing. So as you have seen, using the right platform for day trading can really make a significant change in the way that you do day trading. If you have a successful strategy on the exchange, then I'm sure that Altrady will help you to become more profitable. Altrady allows you to trade more, manage your risk better, and keep track of your position. All this to make sure that you increase your win rate and also to make sure that you reduce your risk. Now, if you're not convinced about using our trading platform just yet, then make sure that you check out our Trustpilot to see what other people are saying about Altrady. And you can also use our 14-day free trial to make sure that you can test out the platform to see if it fits your trading strategy. And if you're not convinced yet, you can also use our free paper trading until you're comfortable using the platform. If you want to learn more about Altrady, then make sure to watch all our videos from our channel and also to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again on the next video.